match Mummy's hair. Are we matching sweaters?
No.
Hey besties, it's Becca and my mom and my daughter. We are gonna be doing, actually a lot of people have been asking about you. They've been, where's your mom? How is she doing? Oh, no big deal. She's living her life, going to Mexico in a couple weeks. No big deal. Today's video, we are putting Tinsels in my mom's hair. It took a lot of convincing.
God.
She seems to think that this is gonna like rip her hair, and I keep telling her, no mom, like professional hairstylists, they put hair extensions in with these beads. They're meant for your hair. But she's iffy about it because there's pliers involved, and she seems to think that because there's pliers that it's gonna rip out all of her hair.
Rip.
But we have a bunch of colors. I have my hair Tinsels in. I should add more, but because they're gold, you can't even really notice them from far away, but I love it. It just, I'm ordering off of Amazon baby pink, silver, and more gold, and then blonde micro links so that you can't see it, because right now you can see the black micro links in my hair. So we are going to be picking a color that you want, Mom. You can go crazy on the colors that you want.
Gold.
So we have blue, we have green, we have hot pink, purple, another type of purple, we have red, and we have multicolor, and we also have gold. So what colors do you want to do, Mom? I think you should do green and blue. We are gonna do gold and pink. Hot pink.
Huh?
So I'm gonna get my mom all set up. We have the tools, we have the beads, and we're going to get my mom situated so we can get going. So I'm going to section her hair halfway, and I'm going to add the micro links along the hairline here. So I'm just going to take a clip. This is the pink that I'm going to be putting in her hair, hot pink. Like that, Mom? So these are the micro beads. They look like that. They have a little hole in them, and then you take the Tinsel and you put it through, and then you tie a knot. So I'm gonna put this through. Wow, Mom. Who got you that cup? Your number one child. So I'm just feeding the Tinsel through the little micro bead. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just put it through like that. And then I'm gonna go halfway like this, tie a knot. There's different ways that you can add Tinsels to your hair. This just seems to be the one that I have seen and is the easiest for me. But yeah, you just tie a knot at the very end there so it can't go anywhere. And then you're gonna feed the hair through that little hole with gel. So I have just basic gel that I love using in my hair. I actually have it in my hair right now. But I just use the Garnier. How do you say it, Mom?
Garnier. Garnier.
I'm gonna take a little piece of hair and make sure it's like thin enough to get it through this little hole. And that's basically all you really do. So I'll show you how I do it. So all I'm doing is I'm taking a piece of hair, not too big, around just like that much, guys. And then I'm gonna take some gel, put it in my fingers. And this gel is very easy to get out. It's not like a hard gel, it's a very easy gel to work with. And basically all I'm gonna do is just make sure it's like jelly the end of it, and then put the micro link attached to it, feeding it through the little hole. micro link fed through the little hole, I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to go down a bit so it's not so at the root, and then clip down, and then now it's attached. We are going to add another one through the micro bead. So it's like that, and then I'm just gonna clamp it down. Like that.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I have pink and gold on her hair. So she doesn't want to go too crazy, but she wants to go a little bit crazy for her trip. So I'm just going to snip the ends off because they're way too long. I just absolutely love doing this. I think it's so much fun. And especially if you don't want to dye your hair, like this is like the perfect thing to do. As you can see, I added the color to my mom's hair through the side here. I don't know if you guys can go up a little bit closer. You guys can see that the color is on the side here. She has the hot pink and the gold, and it's all around the back here. I messed up when filming. I didn't click record because I was putting the Tinsels through the beads so I wouldn't have to like sit there on camera like threading them through. So I had it all prepared first, and then I noticed, oh my God, I'm not filming. Mine is like almost blended into my hair, but it looks super cute. And I can't feel the beads like at all. Like it doesn't bug me, it doesn't pull. Like, can you feel it?
No.
Like you can't.
This one I can a little
Well, if you touch it, you can feel it,
Yeah.
but can you feel it on your hair? No, you can't feel it at all. It's very comfortable. I don't have a problem. I had a couple people ask me, how does it feel when you wash your hair? And it feels normal. Of course, you have to be a little bit careful when you're putting the shampoo through, but brushing my hair, it's normal. It's comfortable. I have no problem with it. So this is gonna be my new thing that I do. I'm probably gonna do a poll on my YouTube of the next color I'm going to do, and I'll put like all the colors listed, and you guys choose what color I'll do for the next time, which I think will be super fun. Next week we are dyeing my mom's hair from, I don't know yet what color, like what kind of brand. We are going to Sally's together, and we're gonna go pick out a color and dye her hair and then film it on camera. But I don't think, I'm not using the same brand, the Argan, but she wants to, but it's a high lift. So it's not suitable for her hair because it's a high lift.
I did like the color.
You like the color, but there's
I do
lots
like
of
the
brands
color.
that have that color.
Yeah, so I went back to the box dye the last try
Well,
when
the
I
thing,
don't like it at all anymore.
she had to go back to the Bell Color box dye a couple weeks ago because just because of the whole moving, and I didn't have time to like help her dye her hair. So I was really busy. It was way too like chaotic to like do my mom's hair and film it. Like I hardly was even posting on my own channel. So next week I'm going to be dyeing your hair, and then cutting it maybe. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Mom, do you like your hair?
Yeah, it looks okay. It looks good.
I think it looks really cute.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and like it if you truly like it, and be part of our bestie club because we are just surviving in this Tetris world. Is that even a word?
No.
Oh, okay. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye, guys.